What's up, guys? Welcome back to the Haole vlog. My dad and sister are here visiting for a week. Bree's working right now, but we're gonna take these guys around the whole island, show them as much as possible for the next week. And today we're gonna do the whole west coast of Oahu. Right now we're at Yokohama Beach. How do you guys feel about Hawaii so far?
I don't think there's ever a bad day here. Some days are just better than others.
How do you feel?
It's pretty good.
They don't want to be in the vlog.
Today that you're not mine to keep.
So we hung out at Yokohama for a little bit and it started raining, so we left and went to another little kind of secluded beach and found some little sea turtles. Now we're checking out the Mermaid Caves. I haven't been over here before, so it should be pretty cool. So we're walking around, checking out the Olina resort areas. There's a Disney resort and a Four Seasons resort. Super nice over here.
It's amazing.
JR's tarps off right now, getting the sun rays on the barrel. And there's a little monk seal hanging out on the rocks over here.
Obviously.
We're up at the Dole Plantation today. We're gonna get some Dole whips for breakfast.
Aww, they're so cute. Chickens, so cute.
I was gonna say some fun facts about pineapples, but the only one I know is that it takes 2 years to grow a pineapple.
And they don't grow on trees.
And they grow out of the ground, not on trees. Spend the rest of this beautiful Hawaiian sunny day up on the North Shore. Right now we're at Waimea Bay, one of Bree and I's favorite beaches on the island.
Stop it.
Say something.
Say something.
What's up?
Good stuff. So we all got sunburnt at Waimea Bay, except for me and Bree. The locals,
we all okay,
just the two mainlanders. Now we're gonna head back to Honolulu, and we're gonna take the scenic route down the east coast of the island, check out the mountains and the scenery over there. See ya.
We're about to eat some hot dogs.
Oh,
some
we have
wieners.
some big old juicy wieners. We're going to, it's called Hula Dog. It's this famous Hawaiian style of hot dog. Super good. We'll show you.
Hey guys, okay, I got a vegetarian hot dog on the inside, and then this is taro or taro bread, however you want to say it. And then I got mango relish and guava mustard and ketchup. So like it's hot dog in a hole. It's cute.
Jaden, what hike are we doing?
The Pillbox one, the Lanikai Pillbox.
Inside the pillbox. These are like old army lookout bunkers. Super cool. Now we're gonna go to Lanikai Beach, which is that's the beach at the bottom of the hike, and go cool off in the water.
I'm not going home. I'm not going home. I'm not going home.
Alright, so we just got done at Lanikai Beach. Now we're gonna go check out the Byodo-in Temple, walk around, super peaceful. Today we're gonna go on the Atlantis Submarine Tour. We leave from Waikiki and it's like an hour and 45 minutes long. We go, I think it's at like 100 feet underwater. Check out some fish, hopefully see some turtles and sharks and stuff, so should be pretty fun. Okay.
I'm stargazing again. Leave the world behind. Leave the world behind. Leave the world behind. I'm stargazing again.
Just got done on the submarine tour. It was super cool. We saw some turtles, a bunch of fish, some shipwrecks. Now we're gonna go get some lunch at Marukame Udon, this kind of famous udon noodle place in Waikiki.
I need food.
Gotta feed JR so he doesn't get too hangry.
Gotta feed the barrel.
Alright, we're at Marukame Udon. We got some udon noodles and they have a bunch of tempura sides. Looks really good.
Malasadas.
This is a chocolate malasada. I'm gonna move to Honolulu just for these. Awesome, amazing.
We stopped by Leonard's Bakery. It's a famous bakery in Honolulu, and they're famous for these Portuguese donuts called malasadas.
Awesome.
They're really good. We're at Genki Sushi. It's this sushi restaurant where you order your food on these tablets, and then you put in whatever you want, and then it comes out on these conveyor belts. This morning, we're doing the Makapu'u Lighthouse Trail. Hopefully we can catch a little bit of the sunrise. It's kind of cloudy, so I don't know if we'll be able to see much, but so some awesome views up here. It's sprinkling a little bit. Feels good though, doesn't it?
Yes.
There's nothing left to lose, and for the first time I'm calling out for you.
It's rainy and cloudy all day today, which kind of sucks, so we're just gonna drive around and check out some scenic areas. Right now we're at the Halona Blowhole.
We're going to Harriet's place.
Henry's place.
It's not Henry's place, it's Harriet's place. But I snatched the vlog camera because I'm a pro at vlogging.
We're going to Henry's place. This will be where we finish the vlog for the week because they gotta go home today.
Yes.
It's been a fun week. Have you guys had fun here?
Yeah.
Hawaii's been fun for you?
Yes. I miss my friends though, but Hawaii's pretty snazzy.
Henry's place is this homemade ice cream place. We've been here before in the vlog.
Yes.
But they use like all real fruit, all homemade ice cream. And it's super good. It's this little hidden spot in Waikiki. So we'll go check it out.
Okay.
Until you know your flavor of
I got pomegranate. I got lemon.
This is a pastrami sandwich from Henry's place. It's absolutely amazing. Best pastrami sandwich I've had.
And I got Halo ice cream. You guys like it?
It's so good. I'm so much.
So good. All right, this was a fun week on the Haole vlog. Thanks for coming to visit us, Dad and Jaden.
Hey, we'll see you next time.
Next time on the Haole vlog.
Aloha, kitty girls from Hawaii.
Oh, you got it all foggy?
You got it.
We hope you guys liked it. Thanks for tuning in. We'll see you next week. Say bye.
Bye. Oh.